Okay, today having a new service. Customer just got this new BMW and he wanna program his button, the remote for the car. Germany cars kinda very hard to program, but we're gonna go ahead and program it. Okay, we already copied the signal. Now we're gonna press the button. You see one press, the door opened. Now the door is closing. See, give it one more press. The door is open. All done.
Done?
All done. Give it a try.
Let me just make sure we didn't erase anything on this one.
Yeah, give it a try.